Ghana is a treasure trove of vibrant culture and stunning landscapes. In Takoradi, the bustling markets and beautiful beaches invite you to experience local life. Nzulezu, a unique stilt village, showcases the incredible harmony between nature and community. Cape Coast, steeped in history, offers a poignant glimpse into the past with its slave forts. Kumasi, the heart of the Asini kingdom, dazzles with its rich traditions and lively crafts. Berekum, known for its friendly locals, is a hidden gem for authentic Ghanaian cuisine. Half A is a serene escape, perfect for relaxation. Finally, Akasambo, with its breathtaking dam and lush surroundings, is a must-visit for nature lovers. Each town tells its own story, waiting for you to explore.